you have so many skills hidden in you, but you're not making money from these skills. Some of you know how to write, you know how to type, you're good at content creation, you're good at graphic designs, you're good at video editing, but yet you're not making money from them. Today I want to share with you guys 3 websites that you can list yourself, advertise what you do, and you get paid per hour. It's a freelance website where you advertise yourself. So this one is not like you're waiting for transcription job. No, this website offers transcription services, they offer video editing services, they offer digital marketing services, music and audio, marketing, brands and sales, technology and programming, writing and translation, AI services, any service at all you can think of. These 3 websites offer them. So what you're going to do is you come to this website, you advertise yourself, you write, you showcase yourself by writing everything about you, what you do and what you stand for. You put in how much you charge per hour and everything, and list yourself there. So these websites, what they do is that companies advertise themselves or their jobs or the kind of people they are looking for on this website, and in return, you as a freelancer, if you want that kind of job posted, you can reach out to them and tell them that you can do this job. Sometimes the companies themselves will contact you and say, oh, I like your profile, can you do this for me? How can you deliver? I've seen a lot of people here from different locations, from Nigeria, from anywhere. So the good thing about these 3 websites is that they pay via PayPal. So you get your money via PayPal. There's no restrictions whatsoever, and again, it is global. You can work from anywhere you are and you get paid. Okay, so get the PayPal account like I always say, and sign up to this website and list yourself. Showcase your skills. Don't let your skills just sit down without doing anything, without making money for you. Showcase your skill and make money from your skill. Okay, so guys, if today is your first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this subscribe to this channel, share the videos and leave a thumbs up. Also leave your post notification bell so that you would notify whenever we post a new video. The first website we are going to look at is called People Per Hour. So what this website does, like I said, is that you come here and sign up as a freelancer, and you start getting jobs from people that have posted their jobs. Okay, so you apply to become a certified freelancer. You're going to complete online application to join the People Per Hour freelancer community, and every application is reviewed and approved by their moderator. Okay, once you're approved, you will gain access to a stream of projects from their international clients community. Now you're ready to provide the services to thousands of businesses. Okay, so if you're ready, when you come to this website, click on become a freelancer and enter things like about you, your skills, your preferences, everything about you, and you submit the application. If they review it and you're good to go, they would your profile will be approved. So you're going to make sure that your profile stands out. Okay, make sure that your profile stands out. Don't just put something that does not relate to what you can offer to people. No, let your profile stand out and let it be something that you are capable of doing. Let it be something that you're happy doing, your skill. Okay, so you're going to be able to find a perfect project. Also, the website will help find a perfect project for you. So they do a lot of things here. They match you to a suitable project according to your skill. Okay, this is how people per hour works. So you're going to offer your best skills at your best price. So you're going to be the one to decide on how much you're charging. You can see, for instance, this one says, I will create and manage 5 social media posts for your businesses for £25. Okay, so you must also make sure to be able to manage a lot of projects, because sometimes you get so many projects, but you need to make sure you know how to manage them. Okay, so when you come to this website, just go through everything you need to go through, their facts, know if it is something you can do and you're willing to do. If you check it and you're good to go, just sign up and click here, become a freelancer. Remember, they pay by PayPal, so you have nothing to worry about. You have no business with the person that advertised the job, no, because it's already settled with people per hour. So there's no excuses whatsoever. You will get paid once you complete your job. The second website we're going to look at is called Upwork. So Upwork also matches you to with your skills. So make sure that when you come to the website, you put exactly your skills, what you can do or what you do, so that you can be matched and connected with the exact skills that you know how to do. So this is my profile. So when you come to Upwork, you sign up as a freelancer, and if your profile is approved, you have options to create YouTube marketing videos, faceless YouTube video editor, thumbnail designer for YouTube Bible stories channel, video editor. So many things to leverage on. I don't know what you're waiting for. Just go on, sign up, and start making money from these websites. This one also offers services like transcription, translation, captioning, and video editing, SEO tools, and so many of them. So if you're also interested in transcription and you're looking for a transcription job, I think you should check this out as well, because you can also get jobs, transcription jobs from these websites, and they match you to exactly the kind of skills that you have. Those are the kind of jobs that you'll be matched with. And you can also search for country specific jobs or location specific jobs. Like if I want UK only, I can just search for it and it comes up. So when you come here, make sure you fill in everything required. Like this one, make sure you fill in your availability, your preferences, proposals, projects, catalog, everything that is required. Make sure you fill it in, so that when people look at your profile, they will know that you're really serious and you're good at what you do. You can also attach a video to showcase yourself. Make sure that you complete your profile as well. Okay, so the third website we're going to look at is called Fiverr.com. I know a lot of you know about Fiverr, but you don't know that you can make money from anywhere in the world, from the comfort of your home. You can make money as a graphic designer. You can make money as with writing and translation, programming and tech, digital marketing, video and animation, voice and audio, business, finance, data, AI services. Okay, some of you know how to read. You have people tell you that you have a really good voice, that your voice is calm. You don't know that you can make money by reading to people. You don't know that you can make money by designing posters, YouTube channels, designing businesses, designing things. You can make money by writing and translation. If you know how to write, and if you're good with other languages, you can also learn to translate English to another language to make more money. You can, if you're a programmer and you're good with programming and tech, if you're good at digital marketing, video and animation, go for it. Fiverr will always, there's always 1 million jobs available for you to do on Fiverr. So come to Fiverr, sign up, and once you sign up, you start making money. People would advertise the kind of jobs, the kind of people they are looking for, and you will take up the jobs. So when you come here, look at it, look at their facts, then see if it is something you can do. And the good part is that they also pay via PayPal. You have nothing to worry about. Okay, so if you're good at video and animation, even e-commerce, AI and chatbots, social media, graphic, I've mentioned these things before, come and sign up at fiverr.com and start earning. It is time to make money from the skills that you have. Don't let your skills sit in your head, sit in your brain without making money for you. Okay, I thought to share this with you guys this morning. This is an early morning video. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment in the comment section, okay, to encourage other people. Make sure you like the video to encourage YouTube algorithm to push out this video more. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by today. I'll see you in another video.